Welcome to mamasminerals.com. Thank you for joining us for our second video. My name is Anne-Marie Mall, and today we're going to be talking about making gem elixirs. So, to make a gem elixir, you're going to choose a stone that you want to bring its energy into your body. And the idea behind a stone elixir is that we're going to be healing our bodies from the inside out. So we're bringing the energy of the earth into our bodies and into our cells to help rejuvenate us and give us an extra energy boost. Okay? So today I have chosen a rose quartz, and I've chosen rose quartz because it's a heart healing stone, and everyone in the world needs heart healing and loving. So I've chosen this as a good generic stone. I would like to say at this point that not all stones are safe to put into water, such as selenite or halite or any delicate crystals. So please consult a crystal book such as Love is in the Earth by Melody or the Crystal Bible by Judy Hall to make sure that your stone is safe for putting in water and then drinking, and that it's not toxic in any way. Okay? So, I've chosen my stone, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cleanse any of the negativity that has stored itself in the stone through other people handling it. Okay? So, I have my sage stick here and an abalone shell, and what I would do is I would light the sage stick and saying a small prayer or just setting an intention of light and love, I would wave the smoke of the sage stick around my stone, okay? And that is going to actually kind of burn off all of the negative, nasty stuff that has lodged itself in this stone's energy field. So once you've cleansed your stone, the next step is going to be to put your stone in sunlight. And the reason for this is because you want to charge your stone with as much good energy as possible. You can also charge your stone in moonlight, the light of the full moon particularly. In either case, you want to charge it for about 12 hours. So 12 hours in the sunlight or 12 hours in the moonlight. So once your stone is charged, you are then going to set the intention of what you want this stone to do for you. So if you would like healing energy from the stone, you're going to sit with the stone and you're going to meditate and put that energy into the stone of healing or loving or prosperity, any intention that you want to bring into your life and within you. Something that's important is to always remember to set the intention that this healing be for the highest good and the highest power and in love and in light. That is the very most important thing anytime you do any kind of work with crystals, that it always be for the highest good. Okay? So once you've set your intention, you're going to choose a pitcher. Now choosing a pitcher is important. I have here a plastic pitcher. You want to preferably use glass or plastic. Glass preferably, plastic if you can't get a hold of it. No metal. Not at any time can your water touch metal. And the reason for this is because you're going to bring a different energy into your water if you use a metal pitcher. Okay? So I have here my plastic pitcher, and you want to make sure to use distilled water or spring water, but never tap water, because it has its own mixture of heavy metals and unpure elements that you don't want to be drinking when mixing with the gem essences, okay? So I have my cleansed, charged stone here, and we're going to put it in the pitcher of water, and you can put as many stones as you want in here, as long as they're all water safe. So once you close your pitcher, you're going to set this in full daylight, sunlight, or the light of the full moon for a solid 12 hours. And the idea is that the light passing through the water is going to charge your water with the energy of your stones. Okay? Now to really amp this up, you can do something like putting a selenite obelisk or pyramid on top. You can also use a quartz pyramid on top, or you can use a large quartz crystal on top. And what that's going to do is, if you have a clear lid, it's going to bring light in through the apex of your crystal and power up that water even more. Okay, so you're really going to get powerful water if you add a crystal on the top. You can start without using the crystals just to get used to what it's like to drink gem essence water, and as you progress, add the crystals for a more powerful effect. Okay, so once our water's been sitting for 12 hours in the full moonlight or the full sunlight, you're going to strain the stones out of your water and refrigerate. And I only recommend refrigerating for about a week. Your elixir should be consumed within a week. And I state this for basic hygienic purposes, okay? And that is how you make a basic stone elixir. If you have further questions, please visit our website at www.mamasminerals.com. Thank you.